Good morning, students of 10th standard. Today we will do a small poem that is from page number 101. The name of the poem is Night of the Scorpion. Now, scorpion means what in Hindi? In Hindi it is known as bichu. Now, this animal or this insect has entered into the house of the author and has bitten the author's mother. Okay, I'll explain you in short to you. If you are having your textbook, open it. Now, I explain to you. The poet remembers the night when his mother was stung by a scorpion. It had been raining for 10 hours, and to escape the rain, the scorpion had crawled beneath the sack of rice. That means, on one night, it was raining very heavily, and a scorpion has entered to the author's or the poet's house and bitten the poet's mother. And it slowly crawled the house beneath the sack. That means it got hidden under the sack of the rice. Now, the scorpion, when it stings or when it bites, it injects a kind of poison into the human, and that is very, very painful. Okay. Now, after biting the poet's or the author's mother, the scorpion gets hidden itself beneath a rice sack. The scorpion had bitten the poet's mother, and after it injecting the poison in the dark room, had gone back into the rain with the devilish flash of its tail. That means, after biting, the scorpion is hiding itself. Okay. Then, after hearing the news of the author's or the poet's mother being bitten by the scorpion, the people are rushing or they are coming to the poet's house to see his mother. That means, when they are coming to the poet's house, the people are chanting or taking God's name, and many of the neighbors, the village people are coming to his house to see the mother. They are coming by holding the candles and the lanterns. Okay. Now, and they are searching for the scorpion, but in the meanwhile, the scorpion had left the house of the poet. Now, people are searching the scorpion here and there, and they are clicking their tongue. Clicking or clicked their tongue means they are making a noise like where is the scorpion? They are searching the scorpion, but they cannot find it. Then the scorpion has already left. So, what the people are telling the author's mother, sit down here, and they make her to sit on the floor, and all the people, those who have visited the poet's house, they are suggesting lot of remedies. Some are doing mantras, and they are praying to God that let she become well let the poison go away from her body. But the poet's father, he is very ritual person, and he always want to find the remedies, and he mixes or makes some mixture powder by crushing the herbs, and he makes so many different types of powders to apply it on the author's mother's leg. Okay, and what he also does, he pours little bit of paraffin on the bitten toe, and then he lit with the matchsticks. By seeing this, the author is also very astonished, but by doing so, the poison has become or has reduced little bit, and slowly with the help of these mantras and some remedial treatment at home, the poison goes away, and the mother at last is recovering, and she says, oh, praise to God, thank God that you haven't bitten my son is safe, thank you God, she says. This is the small summary of the poem. Okay, I will explain you next time.